Hello and welcome back to Garvjyoti classes, and I am here Gaurav Rastogi with the second chapter of class 10th ICSE, which is banking. Okay, so it is a kind of very easy chapter. Okay, so it will take very less time to understand and you can solve many questions on that. Just the tough part of this chapter is to take out the time when the other things are given using quadratic equation. This is a man having recurring deposit account in a bank and he pays 1000 rupees per month. What is a recurring deposit account? Okay, so it can be said as to boost the savings among the people of small and middle income groups. There are recurring time deposit schemes in bank and post offices. Under this scheme, an investor deposits a fixed amount every month for a specified number of months. On expiry of the period, he gets the amount deposited by him together with the interest due to him. The amount received by the investor on the expiry of the specified period is called the maturity value. The rate of interest is revised from time to time. Fine. Let's move further. How to calculate the interest of a recurring deposit account? So here the person or a person having a recurring deposit account pays the money every month. So that way we have to solve it. Let's take an example where principal is 100, rate is 2% and time is 1 year. So the solution will be interest is equals to principal into 12, because that 1000 rupees which he paid in the very first month will be there in the bank for 12 months. Okay, into 2 by 100, which is rate by 100, fine, into 1 by 12. Now since we are calculating for each month but the rate is given per annum, means annually, the rate is annually, talking about the rate for the whole year, but rate could not be calculated for the whole year. Okay, so we are dividing it by 12 to make it for a month. Now we will be adding all the given things. Okay, means 1000 into 12 into 2 by 100 into 1 by 12 plus 1000 into 11, because this 1000 money he will pay, or he had paid in the second month of this account, and for so the money was there in the bank for 11 months. So 1000 into 11 into 2 by 100, which is the rate, into 1 by 12, and so on. We will do till the last month, but this comes out to be a very difficult thing to solve. So the lazy mathematicians took out a formula which states that if n is a natural number, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus stop till n will be equal to n plus 1 by 2. This formula can be derived by you once you have done the chapter of arithmetic progression, which will be there in the 10th class 10th only, but in the further chapters. So let us move further. After the lazy mathematicians discovered this, we can say that in the first column 1000 is common, take out 1000. Then 2 by 100 is common in all, take out 2 by 100 and multiply it with 1000. 1 by 12 is again common, take it out and multiply it to the product we have. Now there is a thing which is multiplied to the principal in every month, which is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it is counting from 1 to 12 and using the formula we listed before, which says n is sum of n numbers is equals to n plus 1 by 2. We will get 12 into 1 plus 12 by 2. Okay, so note that by mistake I have written 12 plus 1 by 100, but it will be 12 plus 1 by 2, not 100. Fine. Let's move further. So the formula for the recurring deposit account, for the interest of the recurring deposit accounts, comes out to be principal into n plus 1 into n into r divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Fine. And the maturity value will be total principal, which is p into n, principal into the number of months, plus interest. Let's go through a question. But I remembered one thing, that one of my new friend Megha ordered me to explain banking. So I expected her order, and I have made the video for banking, on banking, and this is the question. Let us solve it, and this question is on her name. Megha opened a recurring deposit account for a period of 5 years at 18% per annum and monthly installment in rupees 10,000. Find the maturity value. So the principal is 10,000, time is 5 years, and rate is 18%. Let's see the solution. Principal is 10,000, time is 5 years, and we want in months, so 5 into 12, which gives you 60, and 60 months will be the number of months. R is 18, means 18% is the rate. So the formula for interest is principal into n plus 1 into rate divided by 2 into 12 into 100. So the interest will be 10,000 into 60 into 61 into 18 whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. After solving it, you will get 100 into 5 into 61 into 9. Now here you can see 61 into 9 is quite easy, because 9 ones are 9 and 6 nines are 54, so it will be 549. So I calculated that first, and 500 into 5 is quite easy. So 500 into 549, which calculated later, give you 2,74,500. Okay, so the maturity value is P into N plus I, as stated in the formula, which is the total principal, which is principal into the months, number of months, plus the interest. So principal into number of months will give you 6 lakh plus 2,74,500, which will give you 8,74,500. You must be wondering why I have written this please share over there. Initially it was for the sharing of the video to your friends, but now I want it to be used kind of to share the money. Okay, hello to all my friends. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. And have you liked the video? If yes, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay, and if you want me to make such videos on like how to study and when to study, what to study, like kind of timetable, making your timetable during this 21 days lockdown, you can ask me in the comment and I will make it for you. Okay, and I will make the next video on that only, but I want some comments on that, then only I'm going to do that. Okay, so if you want it, please comment. Thank you so much.